already did my intro previously, but I forgot my earrings, so I'm redoing this intro. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a look using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. I freaking love this look. Like, talk about the most grungiest fall look ever. Like, yes. Oh my god. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in so long, and I miss you guys so much, and I cannot wait to make more videos and more chit chat and stuff, just makeup tutorials. Anyways, I don't want to make this intro any longer than it already is, so before you guys continue with this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know the deal with that. Yeah, apparently that's my new intro now. I'm just gonna let's just pray my mom don't watch this, because if not, she's literally gonna bang through my door and scream at me. So yeah, so if you guys want to know how I got this look, then just please keep on watching.
Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet, hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up, you can have it all. Watch me rip it off, I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right.
Now we're gonna move on to the face. Oh my god, I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in forever, and I miss you guys. I really feel like I haven't talked to you guys in forever because I've not been active on any of my social media, because I think my whole body is failing on me, and I think I'm falling sick. So like, I've just been in not the best of mood. Yeah, so. And also I had like my cousin's wedding last weekend. I was so happy for her. She's married, and I don't know, I'm just so happy and excited. Like, I feel myself falling sick. I don't know if you guys can hear it from my voice. That was the Australis mattifying face base. Hold on. Hello?
Pizza.
Oh, okay. Coming.
Okay.
My pizza is here, bitches! My pizza came, but we have like fries. I'm gonna eat the fries first. I'm gonna do like a mini mukbang with you guys, because I'm like hungry. I gotta eat something hot. Oh my god! The cheese dip from Pizza Hut tastes like KFC's cheese fries. Oh my god. Hell yeah. Okay, so I already had my dinner and it was so good. For foundation, I'm gonna be using my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, and I'll be mixing it with the Catrice Permanent Fine Lightening drops, because you guys know this foundation is way too dark for me. That's a lot. Oh my god, that's a lot. It looks really light right now, but don't worry, when I blend it out, it's gonna look normal. Hopefully. Let me give you a little bit update on my skin. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but I mean, obviously not this foundation on. But my skin has improved tremendously. Like, I don't really have any more spots on my face. I just have a lot of scars. And they peek through really like badly. Like, they really peek through. And I have a feeling they peek through like that because my skin is quite fair as compared. So like the redness, like it's just like boom on my face, and it's very obvious. Oh my god, I look like a ghost. Now, I always thought that Accutane was a type of steroid, and a lot of people were like, oh, like, please don't take so much, like, it's not good for you, or whatever. And I went to search online. Like, okay, yes, the side effects are like dry skin, but that's it. Okay, if you were to search up, like, just do a simple Google search on what Accutane is. Accutane is a vitamin A. It's just that you're literally orally taking it. That's why it works really, like, oh my god, I look white. I look like a ghost. Basically speed up the process of your skin getting better more than anything. So don't be fooled. To contour my skin, to basically bronze up my skin, I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Matchstix in Mocha. Just gonna do that. So yeah, as I was saying, do you guys have any movies to recommend? Because, or any series, like TV series as well, like dramas. I do want to start back on Suits. Like, I haven't watched the newest season yet, and I want to watch it so badly, but I feel like I had to be in a mood to watch it, you know, because it is such an intense storyline. So I think like the last one I watched was something about Donna and Harvey. Isn't it Harvey? Yes, Harvey. And it was something intense. I remember it was something intense. I'm just like, I gotta know what's happening. But I gotta be in a mood. And I know there's not gonna be Meghan Markle anymore. And I think Mike Ross is even coming out. And I'm just like, why is all the main cast leaving? So, I don't know if I'm ready for that. For, concealer. For concealer, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. Oh my god, like, is it just me, or is the holiday collections, like, all the makeup making me go insane? Like, I'm just like, I don't know what to get. I want it all. Actually, that's a lie. I literally don't want like 3/4 of what's coming out, because I just find it so unappealing. Okay, so now I want a cream highlight as well. Oh my god, I know, I'm like such in a creamy mood. I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs Do You Dew Drops, and I'm just gonna tweak a little bit. Not too much. And then I'm gonna apply that with this blender. This is the what brand is this? Brina Beauty, I think. Oh my god, I just lifted up my foundation. What the hell? Oh my god, I literally lifted up my foundation. Rude much? I'm just gonna apply that on my cheekbones. I'm also watching That 70s Show, like, for the first time. I used to really not like it when I saw it on TV. I was like, it's so ridiculous, I hate it, it's boring, and it's so olden times or whatever. Like, I used to like really hated it. And it's so funny because I think Friends was filmed like way before that 70s show. Okay, there's something wrong with this Marc Jacobs thing. Okay, because it's not. It's being really difficult and disgusting. And I'm just not liking that. I really like that 70s show. And yeah. You know who I can't stand in that show? Mila Kunis. I forgot what's her name. I think it's Jackie. I think. In that 70s show. She's so annoying. Michael! Michael! Oh my god. I want to fucking slit her throat every time she calls Michael's name. Yes, I'm making my face using the Coty AirSpun. Okay, I really am starting to not like my Zoeva brushes. And they cost me like $400. I'm really starting not to like them. Like, they shed so much. Oh my god, they shed so badly. I'm gonna bronze up my skin with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Okay, I was in Sephora Tampines and I went up to one of the salesperson and he was a guy and I was like, oh, let me take out this earrings while I bronze because I'm very violent and I don't want to hurt myself. Anyways, I was like, oh, could you recommend me like a bronzer that is like really good and like something that you would recommend everyone? Like, I was like, can you, like, do you think the Marc Jacobs one is really good? Like the Tentastic bronzer. I was asking him about it and he was like, no. And I was like, oh, really? I was like, that's the first time I've actually heard someone say no. And she was like, and he was like, oh, do you have oily skin? I'm like, yeah, I do. And then he goes, yeah, it's really it slides off your face if you have oily skin. And I'm like, oh my god, that's so weird. She's like, yeah, and like it doesn't last at all. I'm like, oh my god, okay. And he was like, yeah, why not you get a Too Faced Chocolate Soleil? And I was like, oh, I have that already. And he just goes, okay. I'm like, oh, so I asked him like, oh, so can you recommend anything else? And he was like, no. And I'm like, and then to contour my face, I'm taking Benefit Hoola. He did mention Benefit Hoola, of course, but I was like, I also have that already. So that's a thing. It's so funny because like people are like always recommending the stuff that everyone talks about all the time, and I'm like, I already have that now, so like I don't need it again. For blush, I'm gonna take Kylie's Exposed. I think, is it? No, it's Kylie X Rated. So for highlight, I'm going to take my MAC Oh Darling highlighter. Oh Darling is now in their non-limited edition packaging. Like, they have it in the regular packaging. I got this during their 2015. No, maybe 2016. Oh my god, so pretty. Holy shit. My nose. Cupid's bow. I'm gonna do my lower lash line off camera. I'm just going to be taking I'm gonna take the shade Secret. Oh my god, please look at the mirror. Okay, I'm going to take the shade Secret and just apply that all over my lash line. And then I'm going to take the shade Mugshot and Frame just to really blend it out. And then I will take the shade Rush right at the like bottom to really smoke it out. And then I'll be back. So I've already done the whole entire face and the eyes. Now going on to the lips, I want to do like a really fall appropriate lip. So I'm going to take Kylie's Leo and I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. This is the completed look. Oh my god, I love this look. It's super grungy and fall and just one of my favorite looks so far. I have used all of her palettes already, like all of her Morphe Jaclyn Hill like palette, like all 4 I've tried, and I will link every single video down below. I think so far my 2 favorite palettes are the Armed and Gorgeous as well as the Ring the Alarm. I love the colors in Bling Boss, but it was pretty difficult to use. I will try and reuse it again, maybe when I reuse it I like it a little bit more. I don't know, but I have a feeling it has to do with my eye primer that I use. Recently I've been only using concealer for my eye primer because I have run out of like concealer based eye primer. I have not run out to get a new one, so I don't know if that is the reason why it's better, because previously my MAC paint pot was very dry, so my eyeshadows would skip when I have it on. So I mean, that could be the reason why the Bling Boss palette was really difficult for me to use. But as of right now, every other palette I use have been amazing. Like even the Dark Magic palette, I know everyone was telling me like the Dark Magic palette was like had really bad reviews and not a lot of people liked it, but I freaking love the Dark Magic palette. Like the way the eyeshadows blended was just seamlessly beautiful. So I have a feeling it's my MAC paint pot, so I'm gonna try and reuse a Bling Boss palette. So yay! I've already officially finished the whole entire series, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys on my next video. Love you girls. Bye. Mwah.